Yo ninjas and Kaio, today I'm gonna react to some flare clips sent me by Jaski from USA. Thank you so much for your support, bro. If you guys wanna support me or if you want me to help you with your power moves, check my Patreon link in the description. So let's see his video. The start is pretty good here. His hands, his hips are correct. The mistake is here, when he goes backwards. His left leg, after kicking up, should stay up. Instead, he kicks high and then he drops his leg. Look at his left leg. Here is very good, is high, but then you should try, guys, to maintain this leg up. So don't just kick and then drop it, but kick and maintain the leg up. I know that it's hard. You cannot learn it in just few days. It requires practice and you should focus on it very much. But some exercises that can help you to stay higher with this leg are connecting your flares to other moves, especially freezes also. For example, try to do like one round of flare to side freeze to one round of flare again. So you should try, when you are on the back of your flare, to try to connect something. It's better if it's something high. For example, you can start with a side freeze, then go with a headstand, then elbow freeze, and then a handstand when you are more comfortable. So gradually try to connect your flares to higher freezes or higher moves. Start with low ones. Start like with shoulder freeze, that is very easy, or side freeze or baby freeze, and then when you feel comfortable, go with a little bit higher freezes or higher moves like elbow spin, elbow tracks, elbow freeze, head spin, headstand, things like that. In this way you will learn how to keep your legs up after the round, so when you go backward. So yeah, as you can see here, his hips and his legs are very low. Yeah, to avoid that, just keep practicing it, pushing your hips high on the back and connecting your flare to other moves or other freezes. Then here on the side part and on the front is good. The only problem is when he goes backwards. The hand and the arms position and the rhythm of the arms is very good actually, because he stays always in the same spot when with his hands, and also he is always facing the same side. That's very good. I see a lot of people that they are spinning around or they are moving too much when they flare, and it looks like they don't have control of their flare, but instead he looks like he have a good control of his flare. There are other corrections that he could do, but they are not so important. For example, one correction in his case, I think the most important thing to improve his flares is to practice flares to other freezes and moves. Like I said, this is the most important tip that I can give you. So when you practice flares, don't practice only like 5 rounds of flare or 10 rounds of flares, but practice also like 1 round of flare to side freeze, to baby freeze, or to turtle freeze, to flare again, to turtle freeze again, to headstand or to elbow freeze, and then from elbow freeze you can go to the side freeze or turtle freeze and go to flare again. So try to connect your flares, and also to windmills, and also to elbow spin or I don't know, head spins and so on. When you practice more rounds, try to focus on your hips on the back, lifting it up, and on your legs. When you kick your legs up, maintain your legs up. Don't kick and drop, but kick and try to maintain. It's something that comes with a lot of practice. I hope this video is useful. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to follow your power move progress, check out my Patreon link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next week with a new reaction video. Yo ninjas!